Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to delete all Instagram messages all at once. If this sounds helpful, then make sure you keep watching this video until the end and let's get straight into it. Now, in order to delete all messages at once, you need to switch your account to a business account first, and then only you'll be able to see an option of deleting all messages. Now to do that, tap on your profile icon on the bottom and then tap on the three lines on the top. Tap on settings. Now tap on account and scroll down and tap on switch to professional account. Choose any category that you want, it doesn't matter, and then choose business account. Now after you switch your account to a business account, now you can head to the chat section. Now after you do that, you'll have three lines on the top of the screen. If you tap on that, now you'll have an option to tap and select all of your chats, and after the chats has been selected, you can tap on delete. You can see that all of your messages on Instagram have now been deleted all at once. Now if you guys like this video and found this video to be helpful, then make sure to give this video a thumbs up. That's gonna be all for today. Thanks for watching.